Congratulations in booking your cruise on MSC Virtuosa. Not sure what to do next? In this video, I talk you through how to check in and how to pre-book your dining, shore excursion shows, and so much more.
Pack my things up, carefree, adventurous way, and I'm heading out to see the rest of the world. Yeah, yeah.
As soon as you have your booking confirmation, then download MSC For Me onto your smartphone via the App Store. Once downloaded, you will have the option to enter your 8-digit booking reference number, or if you have an account already with MSC, have your login details to hand. Or why not create an account if you haven't already? Next, add your 8-digit MSC reference number and the first and last name of the lead guest. Once you have read the privacy notice, then a quick 1-minute tutorial on how the app works. If you are new to MSC, then I suggest to swipe to discover the MSC For Me features as an overview of exactly what you can do to enhance your cruise holiday before you travel. When you are ready to check in, you will need to do the following. 1. Upload a photo and add your passport details, then add next of kin details, then add your credit card details for onboard account expenses, and finally choose your arrival time at the port. First of all though, upload your photo, just like a passport photo, no sunglasses, hats, etc. When I uploaded my photo, it wouldn't accept a smiley face, so no smiles please. Then just choose a form of ID. For UK it will be your passport. You can scan your passport or insert information manually, which I actually found was a lot quicker. Once done, just add your next of kin details, and a green tick shows you when each stage of the check-in process has been completed. Add your credit card details you would like MSC to add to your account, which will pay for any extra purchases on board. Finally, choose your arrival time at the port. A drop-down box will give you suggested times, so just click on your preferred arrival time. If travelling with another party, then add their booking number and cabin number. This allows you to check in together. Your check-in is now complete. If you have booked through a travel agent, your travel ticket and luggage labels will be emailed to you 7 days before departure. Your boarding card will be available to view via the app on embarkation day. At the bottom of the home page, you will see the Things to Do button. This allows you to pre-book a whole load of activities, so let me show you what you can do. Excursions. Here is a whole list of shore excursions for each port that can be pre-booked. Once you choose your port of call, then scroll down for each excursion, and if you wish to purchase any, then just press the Add to My Cruise button and it will then go into your basket to pay. Spa and Beauty. Here you can book everything from having your hair done to massages to a personal trainer. I would also personally recommend pre-booking the thermal spa. You can pay for a week's pass pre-booking for what it will cost you for a day pass if booking on board. So it's so much cheaper to pre-book. Orient and Yacht Club guests do receive a free pass to the Orient Spa, but always check your experience benefits before you travel so you don't miss out. Now, if booking a specialty dining restaurant is part of your cruise experience, then I would very much recommend booking one of the packages from the app. Not only are they hugely discounted, but some of the packages include the fantastic carousel show for just an extra £5. If you book the show via the app on its own, then you're paying £9, so it's really good value. Now, the time and date of your pre-booked specialty dining restaurant is down to you. Just head on over to Deck 6 to the Indochina restaurant as soon as you get on board to book your chosen dates and times for each of the specialty dining restaurants you've pre-booked. Now, if you pre-book the 2 carousel shows, they cost £5 if booked with a dining package, £9 with a cocktail if you pre-book, or £15 if you book on board. They're 45 minutes in duration and there are 2 shows each evening. Now there are 5 drinks packages to choose from on MSC Cruises. I just want to point out that the Easy Plus package and the Premium Extra package are the only drinks packages that can be used in specialty dining restaurants. Drinks packages are a lot cheaper to pre-book, as you can expect, and the average price for an individual drink, for example a G&T or a mojito, is about £9. If you're celebrating an occasion on board, then why not order one of these celebration cakes, chocolate covered strawberries or champagne? All can be pre-ordered from the app. Internet packages, love it or hate it, some people do need the internet when on board, especially if you've got children. They do like to use the devices for streaming. Now if you are wanting to add the internet, then pre-book it because it's 20% cheaper than doing this on board. Really good for sea days. Also, if you are in port, you may want to use your mobile phone device and the data from there, which can start at £2 a day. Have a word with your mobile phone provider before you travel because it may just be cheaper. Now, if you are looking to capture those memories from the professional photographers on board, then you can buy the photo packages 30% cheaper than what you would pay for on board. And here are the packages that are offered. Now I just want to talk about the fun passes. Now to pre-book a fun pass, it's going to cost you £69. Now by doing that as a thank you, MSC Cruises are going to give you some more credit onto your fun pass. So you'll actually get €140 worth of credit to use on the Formula 1, the bowling, the interactive cinema, certain arcade games. Now that one fun pass with €140 on it can be shared amongst all children in your cabin, which is a great saving. You've also got to be aware though, if that ship is busy and you're going school holidays for example, then these facilities might be busy, you might not be able to get on them as often and you might not be able to use the credits, so credits will be wasted. So just buy one pass at a time and see how you get on. Now another tip that I wanted to highlight was to join MSC Cruises loyalty scheme. It's called the Voyagers Club. Now whether this is your first time you're travelling with MSC or whether you've been with them many times before, make sure you join their Voyagers Club. There are 4 membership levels. That's classic, silver, gold and diamond. And depending on what level you are at, which depends on how many cruises you've been on with MSC, does determine the discounts that you can get when you're on board. For example, you can save so much money on Wi-Fi, photographs, specialty dining restaurants, drinks packages, laundry for example. There is so much money to be saved by joining the Voyagers Club, and full details on how to join will be in the comments box. Now finally, I booked my cruise through seascanner.co.uk. They're an online cruise agency, fully ABTA and ATOL bonded. I work with seascanner.co.uk very, very closely via my Facebook cruise deals group, Hollydealsatsea. So if you are looking for a price for your next cruise, why not join my Facebook group and grab one of the discount codes that I have on offer that can be used on seascanner.co.uk's website. Sometimes there are exclusive prices you can't find anywhere else, so why not give it a try? The details are in the comments box and you might just be glad that you did. Until next time, bye for now.